is my cute daughter, Vivian. She just turned 5. You say hi?
Hi!
Oh, here we go. We are here. And so she wanted to do a fun hairstyle today. So I'm gonna use her as my cute little model to show you a style that I think would go really well for children of any age. And I would even do this on my 2-year-old. So her hair is slightly dampened, which makes it a little easier to control. So turn your head slightly to the side. Nope, other way. That way. Okay, so we parted off a little bit further to the side than normal, and I'm going to section this down just to right behind her ear. Okay, turn this way. So that we have this section, this nice triangle piece right here. Okay, come back. Just like that. And then get the rest of the hair just out of the way and make a hair tie out of right here. All right, so we have this piece just tightly sectioned off, and now we're just going to leave it there for now, and we're going to do the same thing 2 more times. And so I'm going to find kind of the middle ground right here with this top piece. So right above her eye, right above her eye, and I'm gonna go back and try and make kind of similar sized sections. All right, so the same thing with this section now. We are going to pull this straight back. All right, so I made it really tight just right here at the base in the back. So if you put the hair tie up here in the middle, then you'll have loose hair behind it, and we want it to stay really nice and tight and slicked back. All right, so match it to the both sides of her head, and then get the rest of this hair just out of the way. And we're going to spray you here. There we go, that was better. Not so much, huh? Right on your ear.
Little.
Okay, so now that we're here, we're just gonna take these and just do a little rope braid. So just split it into 2 sections like this. Twist both of them the same direction. So twist both of them to the right. Can you turn a little bit? There you go. We're twisting both of these to the right. It's just the same direction. Both of them are twisting away. And then once you've twisted a little bit, you take the back one and twist it opposite and pull it forward. So you're going to end up working opposite. So the big twist comes when you move the back to the front, and then all the little twists, you're moving from the front to the back. So that's what will make it hold. When you let go of tension, they'll keep themselves together. Okay, so we're just rolling, twisting away from the face, and then the big twist goes towards the face. Little twists away from the face, big twist towards the face. All right, so I'm gonna put a hair tie in this one. Here, turn. There we go. See how it's holding itself? It's not unraveling. That's because we worked in that opposition. So I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other ones now. All right, so now that we have these all twisted off, I'm actually gonna turn you around, okay, babe? All right, you can pull the ponytails out of the way like that, and then grab all the hair if you're having a hard time with it kind of coming together. Then you can grab these back here into a ponytail. Okay, look up a little bit. There you go. Like that. And then you just have to add these little guys in to the ponytail. You can even tie it off before you do that. And now I am actually going to take these hair ties out. You can cut them out or you can leave them in.
Mom,
it's totally up to you. Okay, so we have this now here, and we are just going to do one, here, look up a little bit more. There you go. One rope braid here. And honestly, this goes super fast once you get the rope braid down. This is why I did a rope braid, because they go really fast and they're not hard to master. You just have to roll the right direction and they completely come together. So just twist. There we go. In her ponytail. And then tie that off. And she wanted a big bow. She chose this one literally from my childhood, like 80s status. Pulled it out of the archives. And that is what she chose for her bow. I'm pretty sure my mom wore this in the 80s, and then I wore this. So cute, huh? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, look down and turn. Ta-da!
Thank you everyone for watching.
Good job, baby. She's so sweet. Okay, thanks everyone for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.